As we hear the seasonal praises of cicadas, may it inspire us to cultivate a heart of gratitude, praising God in every season and trusting His wisdom in orchestrating the diverse seasons of our lives. Cicadas raise their cacophony during specific seasons, echoing the importance of seasonally appropriate praise. Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 reminds us of the seasons in life. There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens. The seasonal nature of cicada choruses encourages us to align our praises with the varying seasons of life, recognizing the significance of thankfulness in every circumstance.